This is a brand new 2013 Honda Accord Crosstour. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a power moonroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: voice recognition, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, air vents for rear-seated passengers, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.